discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Audi Q5. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Audi infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a headlight cleaning system, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and seat memory. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.